Good morning, welcome back, and thanks for joining me. It's Judy from Thistledew Creations, and today I have, it's a yard sale haul, but it was free. Free stuff from a yard sale. So it's a lot. I think it's a lot. We've got a little Jolie's by You fishing set. It's got little fishing rods, which are actual little rods, and then a fishing creel with a fish and a little hat. It says 5 pieces, so there might have been more at one time. And then we've got, oh, this was really cool. I have briefly looked through this yesterday, so I kind of know what's in here. This was a little container with all these little letters and numbers, and then one of these boards that you push the numbers and letters into. So this will be great for me because hubby, as you know, sometimes interrupts me because he doesn't realize I'm filming. So I thought I'd make a little sign and leave it out on the table on the island in the kitchen so he'll know when I'm filming. I had another sign, but it didn't work. It wasn't catching his attention, so maybe a new sign will help for that. And then we've got a bag full of punched circles or cut circles of some type. A lot of different types of cardstock, and some, these kind of look like they might have been coffee filters cut in circles and dyed and flattened. Probably going to make flowers with them. It's probably what she was going to do, and it's what I'm going to likely try to do. These ones are interesting where they're dyed and not dyed in the middle, but around the outside edge. So I think those will be fun to play with. And then the circles, of course, you can use them in all different ways. So yellows and pinks, lots of different colors. It'd be great to send in Happy Mail as well. So if you're interested in some of those coffee filters, let me know. We've got some Boston stickers. We've got, what does this say? Freedom Trail, Boston. A church, a guy and a horse, a fish, or a ship, and a lobster. So those are kind of fun. We have a lot of stickers. Winnie the Pooh Disney stickers, and they're brand new in the package. So if anyone's working on Disney, I'd be happy to share those. Some bling stickers. We have a D, and I'm pretty sure there was another letter in here somewhere. We've got some travel stickers, Jolie's Boutique. Got some stamps, some tickets, compass rose, lots of fun stuff. And these are dimensional stickers. We have some planner stickers, which I believe someone had requested planner stickers in their weekly wishes this week. And they're from Dollar Tree, I think, Studio, Dollarama. We have foam snowflakes, which will be fun to use this fall or winter. We have a Sours container full of snowflake confetti. Blues and whites and iridescent. So that'll be fun to make some shaker pockets with. Shaker cards or whatever. And then we got a whole bunch of different colors. I'll have to wait till we get to the other ones of these photo corners. If you didn't recognize what they were right off the bat, you put them on all 4 corners of your photograph and stick your photograph in there like that. And they're clear ones. So the background is colored, but then in front of the picture it doesn't cover it up. So I'm sure there's more colors of those coming. What's this? More stickers. Party. So it's got little celebrate, yay, and these seem to be clear plastic stickers. Just some multi-use labels. It says 4" by 2", but it seems to look like that they're bigger than that. Let's just see. Oh no, they aren't. very inconspicuously cut. There it is there. They're 4x2. So those would be good. I use a lot of these at work for labeling, reusing file folders to cover up the old label and put a new label on. But I could also decorate these and use them as junk journaling stickers. And then we got a bunch of these, which I thought were really cool. They are wallpaper cutouts called Wallies, and I've seen them before. I haven't seen the fairies. So 25 fairy Wallies. So if anyone, I know there was people looking for fairy stuff too, and you wet them just like you do wallpaper. Wet them with a sponge and then stick them on. Of course, you could just glue them on, but looks like there's a couple of different fairy designs. Actually, there might be all 3 of those. And then ivy Wallies, 25 grouped ivy leaves. That looks to be the same one. And again, and again. And then this one is a different look to it. It's more green, and there's some missing out of this one. That's fine. You got lots. Oh, and there's another one of those bling stickers, the anthracene. And we've got some more bling stickers, the white clear rhinestones. They're great for flower centers as well, but mostly better for the front of a book instead of inside because they're pretty thick. Put this blingy stuff together because it'll go in my bling box. And then we have milk and cookies stickers. Those are fun. And they're recollections. So I think that's Michael's, but I'm not sure. And then Ireland stickers, including a castle, which is cool. Some Chicago stickers. I should put those with the Boston ones and add those themed ones together. And then we've got some paper stickers. These are also recollections, and they're embossed roses, and they're layered up. So they're 3-dimensional. These are fun. Beer stickers. 2 packs of those. Good for Father's Day projects, I suppose. Junior. So in the States, they go like junior, senior, sophomore kind of thing. So that's for the junior. They don't do that up here in Canada. And then we've got some foam Christmas stickers by Creatology. They're ornaments. And Europe. Some more travel themed things. I like these gold ones. These are Martha Stewart labels. Gold edges on them. And then a glittery cat. It's a Paper House Productions 3D sticker. It looks like you can put something in the belly. It's hard to say, but that's cute. Some American flag stickers, and these are really neat because they feel like little beads glued onto the cardstock or whatever. There's 2 packs of those. And Europe stickers, France, Italy, Germany, Greece, Spain, Netherlands. And then some tracker stickers. I know someone that would like this. My hairdresser would like that. I have to take those to her. Her and her girls like to do crafts too. And there's another junior. Soccer. Some skulls, great for Halloween or any time of the year. And some firefighter stickers. Butterfly stickers. And they're from Dollarama. And then we got a little booklet of Disney stickers. Where's this from? It's Disney branded. American Crafts. It's still sealed shut, so again, if you're looking for Disney stuff, I've got you. Oh, and then this was a little journal. It was new in package. I took it out of the package yesterday to see what it was like. I'm not crazy about the cover, although I like some of the colors. I don't like the design, but I could certainly turn this into something I do like. Some Post-it notes, which are always great to have when you're sorting, organizing, even when you're stamping. Sometimes you need to mask off an area so that you stamp in some spots but not others. So I use a lot of Post-it notes for that. I also use them at work. And then some cosplay stickers. Another one of those glittery cats. Some happy anniversary stickers by Sandy Lion. Chrissy Ann Designs. That's a really cute. This is a washi card. So it's marketed for wrapping your washi tape around it, just like we do now with playing cards. But I'm wondering if there was a little book that you put this into, because it's punched like as if it goes in a binder. A little mini binder or something. Well, that's cute. I will probably just wrap some washi tape around it and send it in Happy Mail. And then some more snowflake foam stickers. Some big butterflies. These are wall creations. You can get these kinds of things at the dollar stores. I'm not sure where these ones came from. But one thing I've been wanting to do is take my some of my sorry, this brain not working. Take something like this, maybe not a double one, but a single guy, and put him on a butterfly wings. That was a project that I keep seeing and I haven't done it yet, so I'll maybe do some of those to use up some of these big ones, because they're not as easy to store, and that will use them up. Project I've been wanting to do anyway. Now we've got more foam. This is glittery foam stockings and Christmas trees, and glittery foam stars. And I love these. Jolie's Boutique, and these are lacy chiffon flowers. It says white small florals. And then these are really cute little punch outs with a rhinestone in the center. And actually the video I just did, Linda Stiles had sent me some very similar. Doesn't have the glitter, but it looks like probably the same type of punch. So that's something I could do with those. Some more skulls. Some more party stickers. These are going to need a good sorting. Ahoy stickers. Ice cream. Another washi card. And some more ice cream. A package of sunflower seeds. Package of glitter. I have a whole drawer in my craft room, 30 inches wide, 2.5 feet wide, with a spice insert in it. So it's like a little zigzag spice insert. You may have seen them. And it's full of glitter. Glitter and, what do you call it? Mica powders as well. It's kind of like glitter. And then some more foam stickers. These are all Christmas as well. I got nativity scene characters. We've got firefighters. Someone was really into firefighters. So we've got lots of firefighter stickers if anyone needs them. I'm happy to share them. Don't need them all. And let's see what else. Oh, here's the rest of the photo corners. So a bunch of different colors, which is great. Some more, oh, I thought they were more party stickers. This is a meeting today. So little flags and pointers and important stickers. And then we've got some rainbows and birds, and some butterflies, and some rainbows and flowers, and a kitty, and dolphins, sea life, and an adhesive stencil, which will be fun to play with. Another Ahoy package, and then an unopened package of 10 craft envelopes, which will be going straight to use for Happy Mail. Another Post-it note and a little Lego guy. And then we've got just a few pieces of 12 by 12 scrapbook paper. It looks like from Dollarama, the blues. I don't think I have this pad actually, so, and I do like blues, so I'll be able to use, and it's cardstock, so that's great. And cut some tags out of it and have it for Happy Mail. And that's the end of the first box. I think I'm going to stop the video there and do another video with the second box of stuff. It's different stuff. So it's just so great when someone thinks of you when they have stuff at a yard sale that didn't sell, and then they say, do you want it? Because, you know, they don't, it's probably going to be donated if we don't give it to you. So I will share it. They know I'll share it. So if anyone sees anything in my hauls ever that they want or need for a project, just let me know. Mention it in my video, or email me, or message me on Messenger. I would be happy to share my craft supplies, especially if I don't need them. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Most of all, have a great day and happy crafting.